This is the freight elevator, Latrobe Hospital, Latrobe, Pennsylvania. It's an old Marshall workshop. Right, here it comes. Alright, it's here. Has the green Marshall gate. Has black CJ, some fixtures. It's definitely hydraulic. Right, this elevator is very risky because it's right by the maintenance department. Alright, it's Marshall CJ and some black ones unlike the other ones here, illuminating up to ground. Motor's not original. Slow. There's the signature green Marshall gate. And there's the Marshall plaque. I'm assuming that opens on this side. Yes, it does. The loading dock. Low levels and re levels downwards. Class typical old hydros. Now, I guess I could have access this out here. It would be less risky. Oh well. Back down the basement. Doesn't have that emergency sign. Like, you are in Marshall elevator number 7. Exactly, it shows the brand of the elevator and the car number. It's the signature Marshall green cab with green gates. It's kind of like a Dover cab. I'm just trying to this is basically a Dover. Kings are Pitcairn. That's weird in Latrobe. Yeah, we are not getting back. Yeah, we are not getting back up. Yeah, we're just gonna get off on G. Well, no, I don't think it's maintenance. Can probably hear the motor on this. Welcome to the vision panel, though. It's not even a key, it's just literally a button. Alright, our closes and that's going to be it.